Elevate uni experience at 26 West Austin, a one-stop student accommodation for comfortable living. Choose from elegant 1, 2 and 4-bedroom apartments, complete with a cloud-like bed for dreamy sleeps, steps away from your ideal study nook, and tons of storage with walk-in closets. With a dishwasher to clean up after cooking delicious meals in the fully equipped kitchen, and an in-house washer and dryer, this property offers ultimate convenience. Smash intense workouts at the fitness centre, open 24/7, then crush assignments at the Academic Success Centre with iMacs ready to roll and speedy Wi-Fi. Included in your rent, your wheels have a home too, with bike storage and garage parking available. Live with compatible flatmates with roommate matching. When the University of Texas at Austin and Austin Community College are just a short drive away, make the car ride a concert and hype yourself up before class. Hop on a bus from 26th and Pearl or UT Dean Keaton Station and explore the city effortlessly. So book your spot at 26 West Austin, now with amberstudent.com.